Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to delete a YouTube channel. Deleting your YouTube channel is very simple. I'll show you some of the steps and with the help of it, you will be able to delete it. So for that, first you have to go to the browser and then search for YouTube and open the YouTube. Once the YouTube gets open, make sure you're on the channel that you want to delete. Then you will see your profile icon on the top right. Click onto it, and after all these options, you have to go to this one, which is the settings. As you click onto it, then you will see a few options on your left side. From all these options, you have to select the last one, which is called advanced settings. As you click on advanced settings, then you will see this last option on this page, which is delete channel. Then you have to simply click onto this blue option delete channel, and after that it will take you to this page where you have to enter your password of your Gmail account, and after that it will take you to this page. Now here it doesn't show that you have to delete the channel. It says remove your YouTube content or hide it. So removing YouTube content, that means you will be able to delete whatever you have on your YouTube channel, and then just simply click on remove my content, and after that the content will get removed and your channel will also get deleted. So as you click on delete my content, it will ask you to enter your email address that you have to add, and then you will be able to delete the YouTube channel. So that's it. This is how you can delete a YouTube channel. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.